In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to zip a file here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So here at this desktop, let me just create here a new file folder. Okay, let me just proceed to the folder and let me name that folder and click on the enter key. So let me just input here or put inside a text document. So just have to make a right click, go with new and go with text document. Okay. So in order to create a zip file, all you need to do is you need to select that particular folder that you would like to zip with. And from that, make a right click and go with show more options. Okay, click on that one. The moment you click on it, in a few seconds, you'll be able to bring up this window where it consists of a list of the option. Go with this option called send to. The moment you locate your cursor here, it will open you another option where here you'll be able to see compressed zipped folder. Click on it. Once you click on it, in a few seconds, you would be able to zip a file or a folder here in your Windows 11. So if you would like to extract it, make a right click, go with show more options, and go with extract all. In that way, you'll be able to extract it. Or use the WinRAR tool and go with extract to, and in that way, you'll be able to extract that one. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.